So those who are aware of the Dakshina Kannada or this part of the Karnataka knows that this is not something that happened for the first time. It has been happening there. It's quite a politically volatile space. But it as a political program, having something sort of assumed in a fashion like having a saffron shawl protest in a statewide fashion, this is happening for the first time. So that's how it got the national attention. हिजाब के ऊपर जो हमला हो रहा है, बहुत तरह तरह के हमला हो रहा है. तो अगर हम वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज़ को देखें तो सेक्युलर क्रिश्चियन लिबरल वैल्यूज़ के ऊपर जो जुड़े हुए उन प्रिंसिपल से आधार पर हमला हो रहा है. तो burqa is banned in the public site. Burqa is officially prohibited at educational spaces. Muslim women are not even allowed to have a pool party of their own, because Islam somehow suggests, Islam mandates Muslim women to be in some sort of conduct. So French government doesn't want that to happen, to have their own cultural, religious expression in a free manner. So that kind of assault is happening on hijab as a most spectacular marker of the faith. But the thing that is happening with the Hindutva is not that something seeks for assimilation in the Christian liberal sense or a Hindu secular sense. This is Muslim औरतें इसलिए target हो रहा है. They are the most spectacular presence, inescapably Muslim presence. That frustrates the Hindutva. Hijab in basic sense frustrates the Hindutva. I wear this topi. I don't usually wear it. I often do it. I can sometimes take it off. But Muslim women are the most spectacular, inescapable presence of Islam. And that's why Hindutva feels threatened and frustrated. So I extend, in the first place, as a Muslim male in solidarity with my Muslim sisters. And that's one thing that I want to share.